Alright, I got a 2009 Honda Civic, and we had a problem. The AC accessory, not AC accessory, port was not working. So there's two fuses, one for the rear. Alright, so I want to show you those fuses. They're located right down here. Alright, you can get a test light to check these, but make sure you have your key on. One thing I want to tell you is make sure your charger, your phone charger, is good also. Alright, because sometimes you can have a working system and it could be that your charger is bad. All right, so I got the key in there, keys turned. All right, and if you go down here, this is where you have the fuses. All right, and they have numbers on it. Hopefully my cameras can see it. So this is number 1. It has number 1 here, so this is 1, this is 2, the blue one right here is 2. So they're numbered. So the bottom row here is 1 through 11. Top row here is the middle row, or not the middle row because there's another one up there. So the second row from the bottom is 12 to 22. All right, and then you have 23 to 33, then you have 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. All right, but which one you're gonna check? All right, if you go over here, let me put my light right here. If you look at right here, if you look at number 17, it says RR accessory socket. Number 18 says B plus accessory. All right, so those are the two fuses I want you to check. All right, so if you come back over here, let me grab my light. Number 17 and 18, check both of these. If you have a test light, I would check them all. All right, you never know. All right, what other fuses are bad. All right, but to get these fuses out, they're miniature fuses. All right, so what we're gonna do is open up your hood like I have here. Open up your hood. This give you a little tool right here. Right, if you take this cover off of this fuses right here, all right, it's gonna be very simple. Oh look, it's just sitting there. Right, but this little piece right here, you would find this little guy sitting right here. Right there. So you take this off, and you do have spare fuses. All right, so to pull this fuse, you just simply grab it with this, bring it out. All right, this is a good fuse here. So what you do is you go down here. This fuse, I just pulled it out of there, so we're gonna just let it sit right there. To pull out this fuse number 17, you're gonna take this little tweezer, you're gonna put that around it, and you're gonna pull the fuse out just like that. All right, very simple. To put this new fuse that we have sitting here on the floor, all you do is you take this fuse. It doesn't matter which direction. All right, make sure you buy good fuses. You'll get a box of these for like $10-15, probably less. So you take this fuse and you stick it in there. Right, if your fuse blows, you hear a pop, then there's something wrong. All right, a lot of times there's a penny stuck in one of the charging ports. All right, I have came across that a lot. All right, so that's how simple it is. You don't have to remove much, even if you could use a needle nose, and that will take care of that. All right, so I hope this video helps you to change your fuse in your car. And if you have problems, and if your cigarette lighter still doesn't work, send me a message. I could check the diagram. If you're able to check the diagram, I can help you there. But anyways, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and bye bye.